have in my hand a USB-C to HDMI adapter. So you can see this end, the USB-C connection, and HDMI then. So basically the idea would you get a HDMI lead run from here and run it over to your TV or monitor. So it's important here just to clarify what it'll work with and what it won't work with. The primary purpose of this is where you want to clone or extend your primary desktop screen. Okay, and what you're using is the USB 3.1 type connection on your device. Okay, so the operating systems it'll work with would be something like Mac, OS X, Chrome operating system, Windows, something like that. So you're talking about PCs basically. You run it out and you're able to clone it, put it up on a big screen, something like that. And the idea of it is it's just easier to use, better thing and all the rest of it, and it's just taking advantage of the USB-C output is capable of doing that for you. What it won't work with really, and I suppose this is the key thing, is it's not compatible with Android devices. This phone or this unit does not output your phone screen to your TV. Okay, so that's a common misconception, and don't buy it if you think it does that. Okay, right? So do we sell them? We sell actually quite a quantity of these, and the reason we sell them is they're just terribly handy. Okay, and we just noticed that there was demand for them. We scratched around, found something that worked, and this works well. So we'd sell things, and people who buy them to use with the proper devices, their Macs, etc., they are 100% happy, always works. And people who buy it to use with their Android phones, they're 100% disappointed because it doesn't work. So it's just nice, neat, price point on it's great, and it really does what it says in the tin.